Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about GUI.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys, and it is an online shopping store that deals with multiple products. And the citizens of United Kingdom are curious to know about the legitimacy of this particular site, guys. And this site is offering creative products including toys, furniture products, featured collection as well, including glass bottle cutter, DIY tools, creative handling, and automatic hair braider machine, braid maker, double propeller duckling, soft bait, and many other products. Now guys, apart from that, talking about the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. And let's talk about the payment information of this particular site, guys. So coming to the payment info, you can take a look here that the modes of payment which are available on the site are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, JCB, American Express. And coming to the social media presence of this site, let's check out the social media presence. For that, you need to visit sorry guys, let's check out the shipping policy first, then I'll discuss the social media presence of this particular site. So this is the shipping policy page, and here they have mentioned that the standard shipping duration is 12 to 20 days and the cost will be $5.99. The express shipping will be 5 to 12 business days. The shipping cost will be $9.99, and VIP shipping will take around 3 to 5 business days. The shipping cost for this shipping is $15.99. Guys, for other countries they have also provided the information which is duration and the shipping cost, so you can read this for your knowledge and convenience. Apart from that, you can see they have mentioned buy 3 more items and save $10. So it's totally up to you guys. Now let's talk about the other information including company's information, but guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But coming to the domain information of this site, the domain name was created on 1st of June 2020. It means that the site is an old website, which is a positive sign. But guys, the site can't be trusted on the basis of its domain age factor only. So let's take a look at the company's information by visiting the About Us page. So this is the About Us page. Here they have provided suspicious and copied About Us information, which is a negative sign, guys. So the site can't be trusted at all on the basis of company's information. Now checking out the contact details, they have provided email address which doesn't matches with the domain name, which is again a bad sign, guys. Apart from that, they have provided the address in this contact us page, but no one can copy this content or this address to check out its legitimacy, which is again a red alert. It means that the contact details that they have provided are suspicious. Now talking about social media presence, they have provided Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter social media icons on the web page. But guys, we would like to inform you that these icons are not active and misleading. Yes, when you will check out or when you will click the social media links, you will be redirected to the home page or to the home account of your particular social media account, guys. So this is again a negative sign. And coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So guys, after social media existence factor, here comes the return policy. They have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And guys, do comment about your experience because most of the customers are not aware regarding the suspicious and scam websites. Guys, talking about GUI.com reviews, we have found positive comments on few products which are available on the site, but no reviews are available on the internet regarding this site. So let me show you some customer reviews that claims the site legit. But guys, based on the following evaluations which are given on the internet, this website appears to be suspicious and scam according to the analyzation and research. So here they have provided 4.9 rating out of 5 based on the 6 customer reviews. These customer reviews are positive, guys, and no negative comment is available, which again makes the site quite suspicious. So yes, on the basis of customer reviews, this site appears to be legit, but on the basis of following loopholes, including suspicious contact details, fake about us information, low trust index score, which is 8%, a low trustworthiness score, low traffic, and the not professionally managed website, led to believers that it is a highly suspicious site, guys. Apart from that, this website has been registered few months ago. Not this is an old much website. Apart from that, the site has no visitors, guys. So these are the loopholes, and apart from that, negative links are there, which makes the site quite suspicious and scam. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.